I'm declaring a public health emergency of international concern over the global outbreak of novel coronavirus.
We have therefore made the assessment that COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
In an optimistic scenario, our economists see the volume of global merchandise trade falling by 13% this year compared to 2019. If the pandemic is not brought under control and governments fail to implement and coordinate effective policy responses, the decline could be 32%. Or even more.
If we care about our people, if we care about our citizens, please work across party lines, across ideology, across beliefs, across any differences for that matter. We need to behave. That's how we can defeat this virus. One thing that we would ask is unity at the national level and solidarity at the global level. More than ever, the human race, humanity, should stand together to defeat this virus. Of course, the pandemic remains a public health emergency of international concern.